Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today is another wig review and it is on this glorious, luscious pink wig right here. Now I've done a wig review a little similar to a color like this, and it is pretty similar, except this one has a lot more peach undertones in it, and I just fell in love with it as soon as I saw it. And this is for a completely different new website that I have not done before, so I was really excited to actually film a review on this and test it out and see if this wig was any good. And I've been wearing it for a while now, and I do have a lot to say about it, so I'm really excited. So the wig company that I am reviewing for today is called ImStyle Wigs, and I've never heard of them before, so I definitely wanted to give them a shot. I checked out their website and they had a lot of nice wigs, and I was just drawn to this beautiful strawberry peachy pink lemonade wig. So it was just very beautiful, and the other one I had is just has a lot of wear and tear in it, so I wanted to get a new one. And this one right here is very beautiful, and it's nice and long, and the curls are very defined and everything. When I received the wig, it came in a box, but when I opened it, it came in this really cute bag right here that says ImStyle Wigs, and it has their website right here. But the bag itself is just really cute and convenient if you want to take this with you, like if you travel and you like to bring wigs and you don't want to lose it. I would really recommend something like this, and it's really cool because it already comes with one. So when you open it, the wig is in it, of course. I already have it on. And then they include a wig cap, which is just a generic wig cap. And then they show you, like, they have this really cool photo contest that if you enter in, like, there's 3 winners, and the first prize is a $50 Amazon gift card, the second prize is a wig, and then the third prize is $5 coupon. So that is really amazing. I've never seen any company do something like that before. And then also it has the instructions on the wig right here, and I already have so many wigs, I know about that. And then it comes with this really cute egg-shaped comb that says ImStyle in it. So I was really happy about that. So I'm just going to we're not driving anywhere. I'm just going to dive straight in onto the details of this wig. So I have it right here on my phone, and this is the IM37 pink lace front wigs for women. Now I will be showing me navigating to the website right now and showing you guys how this wig looks, so you're not just seeing me talk. But this wig is going for $52.99, and on top of that, I do have a coupon code for you guys, so if you are interested, I will leave that down below. And the description is, it is quality synthetic temperature fiber, seems to be human hair. No shedding, tangle free. I just tested that out. It is very tangle free. The invisible, breathable, comfortable cap, which is true. And the net, which creates the appearance of complete natural hair growth. I'll get into that right now. Fashion color, unique design, a natural hairline wig will bring you more glamour. It is a lace front cap. The texture is wavy, but if you want to straighten it, it is heat resistant. It is 28 inches long. The color is rose pink, and the cap size is average. And a lot of people have already reviewed it, and there's a lot of just reviews on it. People seem to really like it. So one thing I really want to say about this is the hairline. It's one of the most natural hairlines I've ever come across. I have human hair wigs, I have synthetic lace front wigs that are like around $100, and I feel like this hairline, for the price, which is $52.99, which is kind of in the middle. There's expensive, like that's $100 and over, there's the middle, which is $50, and then cheaper, which is $40 and below. So the hairline is incredible. Like, it looks so real. The cap, I just have so many problems with really high-end wigs, and the problem I suffer with is that the wig cap is too big, and then I have to watch videos on how to sew it to make it smaller, and it's such a waste. I end up selling them on like Poshmark or Depop or just any type of place like that. I'll end up selling them just because I don't know how to fix the wig cap, and they're just way too big. But this cap is amazing, and there's three clips on the inside and an adjustable strap. So there's 3 clips, 2 on the side and 1 at the top. Unfortunately, none on the bottom. I do prefer them on the bottom than the top. But other than that, like, I'm gonna zoom in so you guys could see this hairline. Like, I was just blown away. Like, this wig just popped on, no lace to it, and it still looks so natural, and I will show you right now. So as you can see, look at that hairline, it's amazing. Like right here it gives it away because I have some black hairs, but it is like, I'm just so happy with this hairline. Like it just stuck to my head amazing. And then the seams are like, you can see it's not so bad. Like it's really natural, and I genuinely am happy about that because I just love this color, and I just feel like it's gonna be really fun for Halloween or for any other times. And the hairline is just so unbelievably natural. If my camera would focus. Okay, there you go. Yeah, and so the length is pretty good. I have talked to you guys about how I don't like really long wigs, and this one's pretty long, more long for my liking. I typically like wigs up to right here, but this one is really nice because this is definitely more of a cosplay wig or any type of look where I'm going a little out there. And as you see, I'm running my fingers through it, and it has, okay, it tangled a little right here, but not bad, easy. It is pretty tangle free. I'm running the comb through it, but the comb doesn't get stuck. It's just going very nice. Usually when I get a wig, a high quality wig, like it will usually start tangling up on me, or if I take it out of the box, it's just a mess. So I'm going to show you guys the back. So that is the back of the wig. I just love the color. It's a nice cool toned pink. It's very pretty, and there are peach undertones in it. I'm not sure if the camera is picking that up. I might go outside to show you guys, but yeah, that is how the back looks. Times when I take pictures with wigs, I like to wear like a hat or just something, because I did mention previously I was insecure about going out with wigs, but I usually wear hats with them just for fun. But look at how cute that is. And you can wear all types of caps with it, so that looks really good. Like, you know, baddie picture, I don't know, what else. With a white cap, I'm not sure, this is a smaller cap, so I'm not sure how that would do it, but that's with my like Artemis cap. So that's just a photo shoot in itself right there. I showed you that before I wrap up this video. The wig right now is laying in the middle, so it does look cute when it's in the middle like this. I honestly prefer a side part, and you did see me with that side part in the beginning. And if you wanted to maybe lift it up, which like I said, the hairline is pretty natural, so when you lift it up, it looks really nice. Okay, so that's if you wanted to do some type of cute like ponytail style. I'm not gonna do the other one to save time here. I've already been talking for around 10 minutes, so that's a cute ponytail. There's lots of different styles you can do this. The half up, half down, like I said, natural hairline looks pretty good. And then also if you wanted to do the fun bun at the top, which I don't know how I feel about that. I look a little weird, but experiment with it a little more and do some different looks with this wig. And maybe like this one would also be really cute if it was like shorter, like bob style. I just love the color. So I'll show you how it, okay, it's not shedding too bad. It has a little bit of hairs, but a lot of the times some wigs I get, they shed terrible. All right, you guys, I think that is pretty much all that I wanted to say about this beautiful wig. It's definitely one of my favorites so far, and I'm sorry if the color is so similar to one I've done before, but if you're new to this channel, then that's not a problem. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I very much love this wig. I will leave my coupon code below, and now I'm just gonna go take some pictures with it because I love it so much. Anyways, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.